Thank you for watching Truth, Facts, Logic. This video we're going to look at deaths, COVID-related deaths in children from 5 to 17 years of age. So first we're going to look at the CDC website, and this is the COVID data tracker, and what we are looking at is demographic trends, number of cases, deaths, testing, demographic trends, and you can find this on the CDC website. And we're going to scroll past these upper categories here, which are trends, and what we're going to look at is deaths by age group. So what we want to look at is the number of deaths by age group. So what we see here is we're interested in 5 to 17 years of age, and you can see here, if you look at the fine print, there are 210 COVID-19 related deaths in the United States for the 5 to 11 year old age group. There are 239 COVID related deaths in the 12 to 15 year old age group, and there are 230 COVID related deaths in the 16 and 17 year old age group. So let's do a little math here. We are going to go with 210 plus 239 plus 230. So there were 679 total COVID-19 related deaths in the age group of 5 years old to 17 years old, and that's COVID-19 since it all began. The first cases of COVID-19 were basically December of 2019, so this is roughly 2 years. Let's take this 679 and divide it by 24 months. So we have basically 28.3 deaths per month of children aged 5 to 17. 28.3 deaths per month, children aged 5 through 17. Now let's go to another part of the CDC website. This is the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System. We're going to pull vaccine type. We are going to pull it for all vaccines. We're going to pull for the United States, and we're going to pull 6 to 17 year olds. Unfortunately, we don't have the option for 5 to 17 year olds, so we're going to pull 6 to 17 year olds, and then we're going to pull deaths. So let's take a look at how many deaths in that age group have been reported after the COVID-19 vaccination. And here we have it, COVID-19 vaccine, and there are 36 reported deaths after vaccination by children 6 to 17 years of age. 6 to 17 years of age, 36 deaths reported after receiving the COVID-19 vaccine. So this vaccine was approved by the FDA. This is the Food and Drug Administration website. It was approved October 29th and started being used early in November. So we have 36 reported deaths after the COVID-19 vaccination in 6 to 17 year olds, 36 deaths in about a month and a half's time. And we have 28.3 average COVID deaths per month since the onset of COVID-19. The question is, are these vaccines actually safe and effective? And if they're not protecting our children, why are we pushing vaccines, adding drugs into the bodies of children when the deaths per month are very similar? And the COVID-19 vaccine for children is very new, only gone into effect less than 2 months, about a month and a half roughly. So we have to ask ourselves serious questions. We need to honestly search for truth, facts, and logic and make an informed decision for ourselves and our kids.